Hello everyone, welcome to LIA. In last live stream, we have seen how to develop basic gates using Qiskit for quantum computing. First of all, I want to apologize for terrible voice break and noise in that stream. In this video, we are going to develop buffer gate circuitry for quantum computing using Qiskit. Building buffer gate is quite easy and we are going to build it in next few minutes. First, let's start with the qubit. So what is qubit? In classical computer, we have seen that there are a bit representation, that is 0 and 1 bit. In qubit, we have that 0 and 1 as well as the probability of 0 and 1. Also, the qubit may be dependent on other qubits also. So this is the qubit. Now, to develop a buffer, we need to import some of the files from Qiskit. So the files are the quantum circuit and air, which is a simulation tool. And the next one is the visualization tool for the plotting the histogram. Now let's add a simple printf line to import successfully so that we can understand that all files are imported properly. Now let's run this in the Jupyter notebook so that we can import all the files. Next part is to develop a buffer circuitry. So to develop buffer, first we need to take a qubit from the quantum circuit and we need only one qubit. After importing or taking a qubit, we need to measure it to the circuitry line. So we are using measure all function. And to visualize it properly, we are going to draw that with the help of draw function. Now let's run this code. After running, you can see that we got one qubit named as q and the measure all function gives a measure to the circuitry line. So that's it. Next, we are going to take a simulation tool with the help of AER library which is imported from Qiskit. So you can see that we have already imported that library AER and using get backend, we are going to simulate it and store it in the variable sim. Passing the run function to the QC buffer and storing it in the result variable. After that, from result we are going to extract the counts and passing to the plot histogram function. As you can see that we have already imported plot histogram function from the visualization library. We are passing a title for buffer output and setting a figure size so that we can visualize it properly. Now let's run this code. After running, you can see that we are getting the output as a 0 because by default qubit provides us a value 0 and we are using a buffer that is no gate there, so we get output as a 0. That's it for the today's video. We are going to meet in the next video with part 2 for the NOT gate with the help of qubit and Qiskit for quantum computing. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more such videos, then you can consider subscribing our channel and joining the LIA family. And if you really like this video, then hit that like button. If you have any thoughts, then you can comment down below. I will consider it. Thank you for watching this video.